There's always something that needs a little fixing on Far Point Farms.
Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Far Point Restorations and Repairs. Today, I got an unboxing, an initial impression video. I picked up at Harbor Freight a hydraulic lifting table. These things are great if you can use them to lift riding mowers up off the ground, make easier access. You can use them for lifting motorcycles, mopeds, whatever. You might not be able to see it, it's a little off camera here, but I'm working on a Subaru engine conversion for a Volkswagen bus. Using this, I'll be able to lift the engine and pull it out easy from the bus and put the new Subaru engine back in fairly easily. You can do it with a regular jack, but this thing here is pretty much what these things are designed for. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. This is the 500-pound one. Some of the specs on it here, it lifts max height is 28.5 inches, so pretty good, about 2.5 feet. And they do make a 1,000-pound model that lifts, I think, to 32 inches, but I would maybe use this to load stuff in and out of a truck if it was heavy material, but my truck tailgate is much lower than 28.5, so that'll be just fine. So let's go ahead, I'll unbox this thing. I got a pocket knife from Dallas. Thank you, Dallas, for that. I've used it pretty much every day since I got it. We'll go ahead and get this thing open. It was fairly heavy, and there were several places that didn't have these in stock. I had to drive around some to get to it, but I was able to finally find it. Drop this thing down. Let's see if we can get it apart. Yeah, there we go. Alright, we got the manual here. It's got that Harbor Freight smell to it. There's a certain smell of some of this Chinesium. Hydraulic table cart 61405. Looks like there is some assembly that'll be required, so I'll go ahead and do that here on video. And yeah, let's do it. Let's see what we got. I'll take everything out of the box first. Got a nice rubber mat for the top of it. Okay. And there's our table itself. I'll tilt that up. Alright, not a ton of assembly required. Looks like we're going to have to install this. 2 casters. That's not bad at all. Maybe a little bigger, no doubt. Let's go ahead and install that first. That just slides into place. There are 2 bolts here. You can see right there and right there. I'll go ahead and back these out so I can... Cool. I'll go ahead and clear this out of the way. We'll lay it on its side to get the wheels on there. And the wheels are solid plastic, no air in there, so go ahead and slide that in. Slide the insert in there first. Slide that in there. And our bolt. And then we'll put our nut in there. Oops. There we go. Tighten that down. Those are 13s. Not much to it. There we go. That's one. I'll do the same thing with the other side here. Flip it up. Good. Alright, let's lower this thing back down. Then we got our release lever here, it looks like. Put that on there. And that fits right there. Looks like it's got a washer on both sides for that one. There it is. Well, that's a little flimsy, but the pump seems to work fine. And that's all the way up there. I'm not sure, those must be safety locks. But we got these locks here, whatever they are. Looks like they should be on the other side, but whatever. And then this lever, I assume, lowers it down. So that is those are safeties there. You lay it down, it'll only drop so far. It wouldn't crush your fingers or whatnot. So let's try that again. I guess you can operate this with your foot. It doesn't require any force to get it to pump. That's kind of nice. Yeah, okay, so that's full height right there. And if you wanted to put that down, it would come back, but only so far as to hit that release. So let's see how far down that is. Yeah, so that's as far down as it would fall if there was some mechanical or hydraulic issue, I should say. That's cool. Not bad. So, I mean, there's not a lot to it. I've seen some reviews of the 1,000-pound one, which is just slightly larger in every measurable way, but the 500-pound one apparently didn't get much love for here for what I needed to do. 500 pounds is going to be just right. I guess that'll do it for today, my friends. I'm Eric here at Farpoint Restorations. I'll see you next time.